On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
What's up, Minitruck? Take me to the post office. We only got 2 going out today. Got Mike and Matthew. My mini trucks are what's up. Bumper stickers came in today. He ordered 2, Matthew. You'll be the first to receive the new bumper stickers. Only 2 today, Minnie. No one loves you. I'm just kidding. Everybody loves Minitruck. Gotta pump the hell out of it.
That's what she said.
No choke.
She screams, "Give me a choke."
No choke. Wow, look at these. I like them. Put these right in Matt's envelope. Thank you, brother. Alright. These zippers, I gotta take them off. Keeps getting stuck right there. Well, the zipper handle's coming off. It's Magilla Gorilla.
We've got a gorilla for sale.
Magilla. Got you all cleaned up and had to take you out and get you dirty again. Who would take those off? $29.57. Got behind another slow ass. Get him, Minnie. He's shaking his head. He must have been mentally ill. It's 45 through here, not 40. So 45 means you do what? 46? 47? That's right. Thanks again, Minitruck. All clean, Minnie.
The next day.
What's up, Minitruck? Let's go get some breakfast. Throw some mail in the mailbox. Bunch of stickers going out. I'm in the 50s today. Thanks, Trevor and Jim. Booty rides.
Here we are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Returned. The only thing I returned to China was that radio. Remember when I waited and waited and waited and waited, thought I was going to come back? I just bought one like 2 weeks ago. And remember they said they never got it? And then I kept going back and forth with... But this is...
Overdue custom declaration.
Yeah, 169. God, that was forever ago. 6/30/21. Anyway.
No, there's stuff that they're being sly about.
Someone mentioned, wait till they see what they sent me. Tay. Oh, they sent me another cap.
Well, that was nice of Tay, except, I'm not excited about it. Happy for you.
Well, you're very unexcitable. Everybody's determined that.
Yes.
No, that's that SDR radio. That's crazy.
Oh, this side.
Yeah, right-hand drive.
That's a neat vehicle that you can go on the road and...
Oh, and off-road, yeah.
Four-wheeler.
It is.
Is it dump?
Yeah, I made it dump. I converted it. You could buy them that way, too.
Yeah. Was it like Korean?
Japan. They're fun. Don't want you to run out of leg room.
No.
Did you see her looking?
Did the oh?
Oh.
Minnie gets all the looks. She was laughing. Take the shortcut into Carmel. You know when you're driving and you're racing or you want to just be more efficient, a straight line is the least path of resistance. So this is so narrow you can like stay here and like straighten out by the time you hit to the next line on the left from the right. Remember the briar patch over here? Carmel High School. Drop off, no parking. I was in this church.
Yeah.
I had a girl I used to date in Carmel. She was a church woman.
Good at kneeling? Catholic?
Ha, not really. Wow, look at the way this guy parked. Great. It's a good parker there, huh? I hope Minnie can fit in here. Like a glove. Yeah, I almost got it parallel parking, right? You take a picture of that and I'll take a picture of this. We see where the priorities are. You still don't like Minnie.
Mine's prettier.
It is not. How dare you? Long walk back home. You know what's going to happen? People are going to come up and think they could park here. It's going to be so narrow. Oh yeah, taste of the good life. Is that George?
I will name him George, and I will hug him and pet him and squeeze him.
I think it might be George.
That'll George.
Oh, the steam's making this fogged up. Alright, I got the chili omelet with rye, and then you got what? Spinach and broccoli?
Spinach and cheese.
Spinach and cheese. Good, let's see what it tastes like. That wasn't bad, 22 bucks. Ready? Excuse me. Oh, I'm sorry. They got a squeegee right under the window there. Look at, what's up with, that's not the same car.
No.
People can't park.
This guy
Open it
wants
up.
to
What is it and where did you get it?
It's a Japanese import. It's a Daihatsu, which Toyota owns now.
Oh, really?
Hijet, yeah.
Where did you find it?
There's a place in New Jersey that sells them. There's a bunch of dealers all over now.
Yeah, how do you like it?
I like it.
Yeah.
It's fun. I mean, it's not a commuter. It's good for
I was
back
gonna
roads.
say, you can't really go out on like the Taconic or something.
Yeah, I mean, it'll do.
It'll do 65.
Well, now it'll do like 70, but
Yeah.
I put a supercharger on it. Yeah, but
Wow.
typically you could do like 55,
Is it all
60.
wheel drive or?
Yeah, with a rear differential lock.
Yeah, you can put it in and out, or is it all
Yeah.
wheel climb?
No, you can put it. It's got high-low transfer case,
Oh,
push
nice.
button 4-wheel drive.
As you can see, we're in the woods all the time.
What's it get for mileage?
Not that great now because
Oh,
I put a
no?
suit now. Plus, I do a lot of off-road. It might do maybe
What's a normal
20
one
something.
do?
Oh, really? 20
The normal one's
What
like
am I
30
for?
something.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They call them Toyotas now, or
No, well, they bought Daihatsu, but still, they're still Daihatsu.
Daihatsu?
There's
But
all
they're-
kinds, though. Lots of
Yeah, they have
brands.
Suzuki, Honda, Subaru makes them.
Yeah. I've
They're
never-
Minitrucks.
I've never even seen them before.
Yeah.
Let alone on sale somewhere.
You like
Yeah, and then
You like
dump.
to watch YouTube videos? You want to see all the fun he has with it and all the work he's done on it? Because
Yeah.
that's what he does.
I made it.
Oh, is that right?
Put it,
Oh, yeah.
made it into a dump. Although you could buy it,
Back there?
it's underneath. It starts like right here and it goes back.
Yeah.
The radiator's here.
Uh-huh. No kidding.
The Suzuki's, the radiators are up front.
All right. Well, it looks cool.
Thanks.
Take care.
He looked like someone I went to school with. That's why I was like, I wonder if that's somebody I know. Boy, you need the window down. It's so freaking hot. I'm sweating. There's Taco Bell. We could have ate there. Where the heck would the Walmart be around here?
Huh. There's not even one in Brewster? That's so weird.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying.
That's so weird.
The nearest Walmart is probably Fishkill.
Brewster and Carmel and Mahopac are huge. Why is there nothing? Wow.
Wow.
That's crazy.
They must not allowed it. It is crazy how Brewster doesn't have one.
Are these all reservoirs?
Yep. New York City. New York City is being built. These are the first reservoirs. Well, one of the first of the system that goes all the way up. It's crazy, right? They dug and put huge tunnels under the ground. Pipe was all like concrete that got stuck together and sealed with like clay. I forget how many gallons it says it leaks, but it was tremendous. Because the pipes, I guess you could drive through them. They're that big.
Sure.
No. Roly-poly up to the stoppy. What? Rusty under the bridges.
Yeah, I was thinking with all those trucks that parked on bridges going to Canada.
Yeah, I was thinking that too, all that weight.
Oh, God, can you imagine?
Tractor. A steamroller. Old silo. That yellow house is old, huh? Frost is really taking a toll on this road, huh?
Yeah.
So we got to go this way. Never been on this road. Wow, this must have been.
By spring.
It already got covered
I
once
know.
because the frost is holding them. Now it's like a big mud pie, quicksand. You can feel how mushy it is.
Well, here it's trying to dry out, and then it's wet. Dry out, wet.
All right.
See it cracking.
And the ice isn't going to let the water down yet. Yeah, look at it. All cracked and everything.
Yep.
And this has been skimmed over once already. You can see it. I just washed Minnie's undercarriage too. Now I can put the camera. Diff lock.
Ziploc?
Ziplock,
Ziploc, it's all you need.
as Jeffro would say. How could there be no winter maintenance when there's houses here? Well, not exactly as scenic as I thought it would be. all the docks down and everything. Yeah, that don't look safe.
No.
Wow. You can see the actual stream.
Yeah.
You know, they make these so you're not allowed to drive through, but you know, this mini truck can make it through there. Judging by the ice, they must have let this down recently. Look at the ice all busted up. Like there's ice that thick that was on top of a big boulder. Like they just drained it down recently. Oh, they still got their mini truck. My front calf gets sore from keeping my foot up, holding it up. You know, like I always try to wedge my foot against the door or something. 9%. Thanks, Minnie. Who remembers this radio that I was having problems with back in June? I sent it back. I never got a refund. I contacted PayPal. PayPal said, oh, they never received it, but I see it's in China somewhere. Well, guess what ended up in my mailbox? Yep. Told them it was the battery, so I put a battery I had here in it and plugged it in, charged it up, and it works perfect. PayPal actually refunded me because it was, I forget how many months ago that was. Amazing. Free radio, gotta love it.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.